Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about transpose of a matrix. Let A equal to Aij of order m by n be a given matrix. Then the transpose of A, generally denoted by A dash or A to the power t, is a matrix of order n by m such that A transpose equal to Aji for all I equal to 1, 2 and so on m and j equal to 1, 2 and so on n. That is the matrix obtained from A by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. The first row is interchanged into the first column, the second row is interchanged with the second column, and so on. For example, if A equal to matrix having elements 1, 5, 9, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 8 of order 3 by 3, then A transpose is a matrix having elements 1, 2, minus 1, 5, 3, 0, 9, 4, 8 of order 3 by 3. Dear students, here we have changed rows into columns and columns into rows. Again we have, if A is a matrix having elements 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 of order 3 by 2, then A transpose is equal to a matrix having elements 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6 of order 2 by 3. Here also rows and columns are interchanged. Now we will discuss properties of transpose of the matrices. If A equal to Aij of order m by n and B is equal to Bij of order m by n matrices, then transpose of A transpose is equal to A, and second, transpose of Ka is equal to Ka transpose, where K is any constant. Third, AB whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and fourth, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Dear students, now we state the above properties of transpose of matrices without proof. These may be verified by taking suitable examples. If A equal to a matrix having elements 1, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 6, and B is another matrix having elements minus 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, minus 6, verify that transpose of A transpose equal to A, transpose of Ka is equal to Ka transpose, where K is any constant. Third, transpose of A plus B equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We find the solution. We have A equal to 1, 2, -3, 4, -6. After interchanging rows and columns, we get A transpose is equal to 1, 4, 2, -5, -3, 6. Dear students, here matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and matrix A transpose is of order 3 by 2, and this is implied that transpose of A transpose equal to a matrix having elements 1, 2, -3, 4, -5, 6. This is also of order 2 by 3 and this is equal to matrix A. Here we also interchanged rows and columns. Thus we get transpose of A transpose equal to A. Now K A is equal to K 2K -3K 4K -5K 6K, means each and every element of matrix A is multiplied by K, and this is implied that transpose of KA equal to K 4K 2K -5K -3K 6K, and this is equal to K into matrix having elements 1, 4, 2, -5, -3, 6, and this is equal to K A transpose. Third, we have A plus B equal to -6, 10, 6, 6 -1, 0. Here we adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B, we get -6, 10, 6, 6 -1, 0. Now A plus B whole transpose is equal to -6, 6, 10, -1, 6, 0. Here we get after interchanging rows and columns of matrix A plus B. Now A transpose plus B transpose equal to, we get -6, 6, 10, -1, 6, 0, means we adding the elements, we adding the corresponding elements of A transpose and B transpose. From 1 and 2 we get A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Example 3, if A is a matrix having elements -2, 4, 5. Here matrix A is a column matrix, it has only one column only, and matrix B having elements 1, 3, -6. This is a row matrix, means having only one row. So verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Dear students, we have A equal to -2, 4, 5 and matrix B is equal to 1, 3, -6. Then we find AB, and this is equal to -2, -6, 12, 4, 12, -24, 5, 15, -30. Now we find the transpose of AB we get -2 4 5 -6 12 15 12 -24 -30. This is first. Now A transpose is equal to -2 4 5, B transpose is equal to 1 3 -6, and we find B transpose A transpose equal to -2 4 5 -6 12 15 12 -24 -30. This is 2. From 1 and 2 we get AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Now we will discuss about symmetric matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. That is, Aij is equal to Aj for all possible values of I and j. Dear students, the entries of a symmetric matrix are symmetric with respect to the main diagonal. In other words, we can say that if one puts a mirror on main diagonal of a symmetric matrix, we get the image of one side entries on the other side. For example, A matrix equal to with elements 5 -2 3 -2 6 8 3 8 7. So A transpose is equal to 5 -2 3 -2 -2 6 8 3 8 7. So A equal to 5 -2 3 -2 6 8 3 8 7 is a symmetric matrix as A transpose equal to A. Now we will discuss skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to -A. That is, Aj equal to -Aij for all values of I and j. Dear students, if we put I is equal to j, we have Aii equal to -Aii. Therefore, Aii equal to 0 or Aii equal to 0 for all i's. This means that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. For example, let B is a matrix having elements 0, A minus B, minus A, 0 C, B minus C, 0 is a skew symmetric matrix as B transpose equal to minus B. Here minus B equal to 0 minus A, B, A, C minus 0 minus B, C 0, and B transpose is equal to 0 minus A, B, A 0 minus C minus B, C 0. So due to this, here B transpose equal to minus B. Now we will discuss one theorem. For any square matrix A with real numbers entries, then A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Here we start proof. Let B equal to A plus A transpose. Then B transpose equal to transpose of A plus A transpose, and this is equal to A transpose plus transpose of A transpose. Here region is given A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That is related to the property of transpose of a matrix. And this is equal to A transpose plus A. Here region is given transpose of A transpose is equal to A. This is also related to the property of transpose of a matrix. And this is equal to A plus A transpose. Region is A plus B is equal to B plus A. And this is equal to B. Thus, we get B equal to A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Again, let C is equal to A minus A transpose. Then C transpose equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to A transpose minus transpose of A transpose. Here region is given A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose, and we can write A transpose minus A. Here region is given transpose of A transpose is equal to A, and this can be written minus in bracket A minus A transpose, and this is equal to minus C. According to definition of skew symmetric matrix, we have C transpose is equal to minus C. Thus C equal to A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Thank you.